Okay, this is kind of a attempt for a vlog thingy. Just walking up the road with my birdies and a lawnmower, which seems to be scaring Herbie. Go ahead. Their field is up there somewhere. Yeah. Well, the other one, but I'm not going to that one today. Go ahead. They were just like out. Yeah. Hello, puppy. Oh. I'm just riding along. Yeah. They think I'm really weird. And then there's Monarch, who's in the field, who didn't come out today. He's probably going to go mad. So I might have to hold on. And there's a horse behind us. We're up Sunny's bum to slow down. Okay, there we go. There you go, that's cool. So here we are. Yeah. Okay. You're up Sunny's bum again. Okay, there we go. We're up Sunny's bum. We're not anymore though. You're a good boy. Do you think we're okay trotting with Monarch? Do you think we're okay trotting with Monarch? Yeah. Okay. Okay, so let's stop. I'm going to do a, no, we're not going to eat, are we? Come on. Okay, so come on. Good boy. No, we don't want to go over there because of Monarch. I agree. Yes, I know you don't like one rain. But come on. Good boy. Oh, we're nearly going to get... No food. This is difficult. Okay. Stop laughing at me! I'm blurring. There's a car, by the way. I'm doing it for the YouTubers. God, we're going to start eating again, aren't we? Yeah, we are. Oh, okay. I think our bum's in enough. Yes. Stand. Good boy. Yes, that's it. You just eat. Yep, you do that. Oh. Okay. Oh. Come on. Come on. Oh. That looks like we're all going. And that trot was an accident. Okay. Oh, Herbie, you're not really walking, are you? You're doing something I didn't really know. You're funny, aren't you? No more eating, okay? Oh God, is that good? I'm doing Monica's then. Good boy. Why are your ears back all the time? You like being in front, don't you? Yeah, I know you understand me. You like being in front. Oh, and you like food as well. Oh, one-handed isn't easy. Oh, okay. My reins up a bit. Yeah. Oh, this has been fun. seen grass. Yeah, you've seen grass. No. I know you don't like one-handed, but calm down. Oh, we're nearly there. Nearly there. Okay, your ears are going to go forward when you see Monarch. There he is. Oh, no, you're more interested in grass. Come on. There's Monarch. Well, we best go. Go ahead.